Today, a simple blood pressure cuff has been one of the most trusted ways to measure blood pressure for over 150 years. But what if all of that could be replaced by a small smart ring? That's exactly what a new startup is trying to do with the Signal Ring, a $399 wearable that claims it can measure your blood pressure without using a cuff or even requiring calibration. It sounds almost too good to be true. So let's take a look at what this new device offers and whether it could really change the future of health tracking. The Signal Ring is made by a company called Vital Signals. Unlike most smart rings that mainly track heart rate, sleep, and activity, this one is focused almost entirely on blood pressure. According to the company, the ring uses optical sensors and its own advanced algorithms to measure blood pressure directly from your finger. The biggest claim here is that users don't need to use a traditional blood pressure cuff to set it up or recalibrate it later. If that claim proves accurate, it would be something we haven't really seen in consumer wearables before. The company says the ring doesn't just show trends or warn you about possible hypertension. Instead, it provides actual systolic and diastolic blood pressure readings throughout the day. Users can also start a guided Zen mode session to get a more accurate reading while sitting still, and the ring can continue collecting blood pressure data during daily activities and even while you sleep. The companion app shows graphs that help users understand how things like stress, exercise, coffee, or sleep may affect their blood pressure over time. Vital Signals also says the Signal Ring has been tested on 451 participants and meets the ISO 81060-2 international accuracy standard for blood pressure devices. The company is currently running additional clinical studies, including trials at Stanford University, and it plans to release a future medical-grade version that could eventually help diagnose hypertension. However, it's important to understand that the version being sold today is not a medical device and has not been cleared by the US FDA. That's where things become a little more interesting. While the company is making bold promises, independent experts believe people should be cautious until more public clinical data becomes available. Cardiologists point out that optical sensors, also known as PPG sensors, can be affected by movement, poor circulation, finger position, skin tone, and even irregular heart rhythms. During Bloomberg's hands-on demonstration, a few readings were reportedly inaccurate, although the company said that was likely caused by the ring not fitting perfectly. When you compare the Signal Ring to existing products, its goal becomes much clearer. Devices like the Apple Watch can detect signs that may suggest hypertension, but they don't display actual blood pressure numbers. Samsung's watches can measure blood pressure, but they require regular calibration using a traditional cuff. Fitness wearables like Whoop also rely on cuff calibration to estimate blood pressure. Signal Ring is trying to remove that extra step completely by offering cuff-free, calibration-free readings right out of the box. There are a few other things worth mentioning. The ring costs $399, comes with a titanium design, offers around 4 days of battery life, and doesn't require a monthly subscription, which is refreshing compared to many health devices today. Most of the data processing happens in the cloud, so an internet connection is needed to view blood pressure results immediately, although data can still be uploaded and processed later if you're offline. So, could this smart ring really replace the blood pressure cuff we've relied on for more than a century? Right now, it's too early to say. The technology certainly looks promising, especially if future independent testing confirms the company's accuracy claims. But until more clinical evidence becomes publicly available and regulatory approval is achieved, it's probably best to think of the Signal Ring as an advanced health tracking device rather than a replacement for medical equipment. If Vital Signals can deliver on everything it promises, this could become one of the biggest breakthroughs in wearable health technology in years. But for now, it's a product with exciting potential that still has a few important questions to answer. What do you think? Would you trust a smart ring to monitor something as important as your blood pressure, or would you still rely on the traditional cuff? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on the latest technology and health innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.